Here's the Hyundai Elantra. Let's get started. You will need a small flathead screwdriver for this job. The light's right over there. What you do is you get the screwdriver right over there and then you press on that clip and then you try to pull the light out at the same time. It's possible the screwdriver is going to slip, so be patient. Just follow along. See how I get it in there? Squeeze the clip and then try to pull the light out at the same time. Repeat the process on the other side. Same thing, just get the screwdriver right over there, press that clip and then pry the light out at the same time. And out it comes. Now grab the light and with the other hand just twist the bulb holder left and it's loose and now it comes right out. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb number is 194. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself and then simply push it down back in the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you're putting this bulb holder back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in and sits in flush just like this. See how there's no gap sitting in flush? At this point just twist your right a little bit to lock it and now it's locked. Now when you're putting it in, you see this edge with the 3 tines, it goes in first. Make sure it's in, and when it's in place it may feel like the light's like sitting inside the body. Not like on, but inside the body. So get it in place and then press the other side down, it'll click in. Let's repeat the process for this side, just get it in place and then click. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.